Debate is on as well, sir. I mean, not just as far as IPOs are concerned and IPO pricing, but also on valuations as far as Indian stocks are concerned. Are we too expensive? Is that why we're not actually seeing FPIs come in? Or is it more the capital gains issue along with the global environment? What do you make of the reluctance of FPIs to enter the Indian market at this point?
Actually, at this point in time, if you're trading at around 22, do you have space for these foreign investors? You'd have created a market which is too hot to handle. I think if you're finding the market, just now priced a little higher than where people might have been comfortable, I'm comfortable with this price because
you are comfortable.
Yeah, for a growing economy, this is the right price. There could be individual issues which are not at the right place, and that's exuberance. But overall, the market is not at a price which is too high and dangerous. So I'm comfortable with this price.
Are you also comfortable with AI valuations and what we're seeing happen globally? Of course, that's not part of the India story, at least at this point in time. But what do you make of the AI boom? And do you believe that this will perhaps be the one area where we need to move much faster, given what's happening?
Shirin, if you look back at, same sort of dialogue was going on during the dot-com boom. Most of the people here would have been too young to know about that. I've lived through that, the sort of hype that happened. And there are companies which actually listed on NASDAQ saying that I have no business plan, I don't know whether I'll be in business, and I don't know when that would be if I get into business.
But I'm a dot-com company.
And the dot-com company, listed. So those are the sort of tales that you heard. So things are not that bad today, and you can clearly see some of the benefits. But to me, at this point in time, a bit of the hype has to die down. And then you will really understand what exactly do these companies do and how do they bring value to the table. So I will let it ride. And in a way, our not being in the midst of it in India is a good thing. That is, these companies, we should adapt to the extent that we need to adapt. I'm saying we are not late to the party for a very simple reason. You take it, any technology that has come in the last 25 years, being late to the party has been always good. Because you could get in and use that technology when the cost of the technology had probably come down to probably 20–25% of what it was at the beginning. So I think we lose nothing by waiting out 6 months, a year and a half, 2 years, and joining the bandwagon when costs have come to what I call reasonable levels. So, and we have seen that happen in every single area.
So don't suffer from FOMO.
I'm not worried at all about FOMO. Better be out of it at this point in time.
Better be out of it at this point.